Hi gang, 3.6 is going to be a very brief and short lecture. It's there's not much going on here except I'm going to introduce you to 6 more derivatives. You're going to be taking the derivatives of the arcs. You learned arcs towards the end of pre-calc. They were sort of very funky looking graphs. So these are the derivatives of the arcs, and I'll just show you how to do 1 or 2 of them. It's very straight formula forward. It's very formula driven, so you just have to follow the pattern in the formula. So for instance, for the arc sine, it's u prime over the square root of 1 minus u squared. So u is going to be whatever this inner layer is. So in my case, it's an x squared. So when I do the derivative of this, I have to do u prime first. So the derivative of x squared is 2x over the square root of 1 minus u squared. Now u itself is x squared. I have to square x squared because u itself is x squared. So now I'm going to simplify this. And x squared squared is x to the 4th. And that's it. It's done. You don't want to like rationalize the denominator unless you have to for some reason, like it's a part of a bigger problem where you need to rationalize it. And that's it. So this is very formula driven. You just have to plug into whichever formula you're going to use. I'm going to do another one with you just so you can see another plug into the formula. So this is the derivative for arc secant. The inner part again is the u, so this is the u. Now we're going to take the derivative of u. So this is u prime. So the derivative is a 3 over, now you're going to take the absolute value of u, not u prime. So u is 3x times the square root of 3x quantity squared minus 1. Right? And then you just make the formula look pretty, right? You just clean it up. This, let me add an extra step here. This 3 can come out of the absolute value because it's positive. It's the x that could get affected. So you can think of it like this. These are going to reduce out is what I'm saying. You could have reduced it here. All right, this is 9x squared minus 1. So overall, this is going to be 1 over absolute value of x, 9x squared minus 1. All right, so just again, the new thing here is these derivatives, they're just strictly formula based. You plug and chug. So when I give you the homework for this, so what might make this like a little more challenging is that you might have like a product with an arctan. Yeah, most of these are pretty straightforward. All right, here we go, we got a product. Yeah, so you might have some other things blended in, and then like say when you're doing this problem here, you're going to end up having to get like an LCD and totally smush it, see which common, see what like terms combine, that kind of stuff. So you guys try a couple of these. If you get stuck on them, I'll post the homework. Just let me know. So the new part is what we have, but what I'm saying is it's going to be blended with some older stuff that we've already done. You can see there's logarithms in here. That was on a test. So it's going to be this new stuff mixed in with some old stuff. All right, gang, just give me a holler if you get stuck on some of it. I'll get back to you. All right, bye-bye.